Hina, it is a historic win for NDA-led BJP because BJP has won Thiruvananthapuram Corporation after 45 years. They have defeated LDF after 45 years, even though last 10 years BJP have emerged as opposition. This is the first time that the state capital Thiruvananthapuram is going to have a BJP mayor. Also, this is significant ahead of assembly election because the Home Minister, when he was in Kerala, he had clearly said that BJP will get about 25% vote share, and clearly they have done it here in Thiruvananthapuram. So it is definitely going to also help them get more seats in the assembly election in Kerala, because currently they have no seats in assembly. A few years back, O Rajagopal had won. There was only one representation from BJP. So they are definitely looking ahead to win more seats in the assembly election. So with this win, it is definitely going to boost their confidence to win more seats in the assembly election. But overall, if you look at the local body election, UDF has done a good job getting good number of seats in the local body elections across the state. This also means that people have clearly shown their favorite, and also it is setting a mood for the assembly election. When we spoke to Rajiv Chandrasekhar, he has clearly said that assembly election LDF has clearly faded, and it will be a strong competition between BJP and NDA and UDF.
The trigger for the song was that this song, Storm in fact, was that this song specifically was RSS Gana Geetam. Every political opponent to the BJP hit the song video on the train head-on with force. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan called the act highly condemnable, slamming the railways. In fact, in a post on X, he said, including an anthem of an organization known for its communal ideology and hate mongering is a blatant violation of constitutional principles.